I'm Terrain and I love technology. What is iCloud? iCloud is a cloud-based storage and computing service launched by Apple in June 2011. For starters, iCloud is available to all Apple users, Windows users via iCloud Control Panel, and iTunes and Android users via Apple Music, though in limited capabilities. So what does iCloud do? iCloud stores your music, photos, contacts, calendar, passwords, settings, device backups, documents, movies, books, videos, and you can use it to locate your device with Find My iPhone. So what does this mean for you? When you take a photo on your iPhone, it is automatically backed up and pushed to all your other devices. iCloud gives you access to all your documents and data across all devices that you've signed into with your Apple ID. So if you're ever on the road and need to access a Pages document, you simply open iCloud Drive on your iPhone or open the Pages app, and that document will be there waiting for you. And any changes you make to that document will be instantly synced across all your devices. So what if I don't want all my photos from my iPhone to sync to my other devices? This is quite easy, as iCloud gives you the option to turn on and off what document or data is synced to the iCloud. You simply turn on and off the desired features in the Settings app. One little known feature is that you can access your documents and data from any computer by simply going to iCloud.com and logging in. From there, you can perform all the functions you would normally perform on your devices. So how much does it cost? Well, iCloud is free for all users and comes with a complimentary 5 GB of cloud storage. And it doesn't count against your iTunes and App Store purchases. If you want to take full advantage of iCloud by storing all your documents and backups and enabling iCloud Photo Library, you will need to fork over some extra cash for additional storage, as 5 GB doesn't last very long. This is what it will cost you to upgrade your iCloud storage. As I mentioned before, 5 GB comes standard free. 50 GB costs $1.29 a month. 200 GB costs $3.99 a month. 1 TB costs $12.99 a month. And you can downgrade at any time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to ask any related questions in the comments. Until next time, I'm Terrain.